Hello friends, welcome to our biology, physics, chemistry page. So in this video we will talk about the different forms of energy. So friends, you might heard about the different form of energy, but all form of energy fall under two categories. First one is potential energy and second one is kinetic energy. So let's start with the potential energy. Potential energy is stored energy and the energy of position. The stored energy that an object possessed due to its position. So if we understand this by an example, uh, a battery contain chemical potential energy. Once the battery is activated, it begins to transform its potential energy into electricity. So this is about the potential energy. Now therefore potential energy are then categorized as chemical energy, nuclear energy, stored mechanical energy, and gravitational energy. So first one is chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored in the bond of atoms and molecules. Biomass, petroleum, natural gas, propane, and coal are example of stored chemical energy. So next one is a nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the energy stored in the nucleus of an atom. It is the energy that holds the nucleus together. The nucleus of uranium atom is an example of nuclear energy. So next one is stored mechanical energy. Stored mechanical energy is energy stored in object by the application of a force. Compressed spring and stretched rubber are example of stored mechanical energy. So last one is a gravitational energy. Gravitational energy is the energy of a place or position. Water in a reservoir behind a hydropower dam is an example of gravitational potential energy. And when the water is released to spin the turbines, it becomes kinetic energy. So this is all about the forms of potential energy. Let's discuss the kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is energy in a motion. So any object that is moving has kinetic energy. It is the motion of waves, electrons, atoms, molecules, and substances. So a person while walking or running, a ball thrown or kicked, all possesses kinetic energy. So kinetic energy are then categorized as radiant energy, thermal energy, motion, sound, electrical energy. Friends, if we talk about the radiant energy is an electromagnetic energy that travels in transverse waves. Radiant energy include visible light, X-rays, gamma rays, and radio waves. Solar energy is an example of radiant energy. So next one is a thermal energy. Thermal energy is the internal energy in a substance. It is the vibration and movement of atoms and molecule within a substance. Geothermal energy is an example of thermal energy. Next is a motion. The movement of objects or substances from one place to another is motion. Wind and hydropower are examples of motion. So next one is a sound. Sound is the movement of energy through substances in longitudinal waves. And last one is electrical energy. Electrical energy is the movement of electrons. Lightning and electricity are example of electrical energy. So this is all about the forms of energy. Friends, if this video is helpful for you, then must like and share it. Thanks for watching the video.